blood pressure dial. The dial has the letters mmHg because blood pressure is measured in millimeters of mercury. Also on the dial, you'll notice that there are lines in various sizes. The largest lines represent values of 20. This is 20, this is 40, 60, and so on. The medium lines represent values of 10. This is 30, 50, 70, and so on. And the smallest lines represent values of 2. So this line represents 22, 24, 26, 28, and so on. Now let's use the needle to determine the number displayed on the dial. Concentrate on the tip of the needle and the line that it's pointing to. How much does this line represent? If you stated 68, you are correct. So how much does this line represent?
112.
If you stated 112, you are correct. And how much does this line represent? If you stated 294, you are absolutely correct. Great job. Now that you're comfortable with reading the blood pressure dial, let's apply audio-visual coordination skills. And for this, please increase your volume level and have a pen and paper on hand. There are two main areas that you need to focus on when determining a blood pressure reading. One, the position of the needle on the dial, and two, the Korotkov sounds. We will refer to the Korotkov sounds as thumping sounds for the duration of this video. When you arrive at the point of the procedure, when you slowly deflate the cuff to hear the sounds, you will notice the needle move in a counterclockwise direction. It is at this point that you need to listen very closely for the thumping sounds. Upon hearing the first thump, note the needle's position on the dial and record the number. That's the systolic pressure. As the cuff deflates and the needle continues to move, you will continue to hear the thumping sounds. Listen closely for the last thump. Upon hearing the last thump, note the needle's position on the dial. That's the diastolic pressure. Let's practice applying these two steps. Please note that your answer may be slightly different from what's displayed, but that's okay. As long as your answer is within 4 millimeters of mercury, your answers are still considered accurate. For example, if the displayed answer is 120 over 80, but your answer falls somewhere in the range of 118 over 78 through 122 over 82, your answer is still considered accurate. Of course, matching the displayed answer is the goal to achieve the most accurate answer. We'll use 114 over 76 as an example. All right, so now that you know the basics, let's try a few simulations. Listen closely and write down your answers. I will reveal the correct answer once the simulation ends. Here's the first one.
Ano yun?
90.
1 over 74? 76?
86, 70.
Ano yun?
98 over 60.
98 over 50.
56.
58.
68.
58 natin.
50, 52.
98 over 50.
96 pala?
58. Hello.
96 over
Try another.
Huh?
Ilan ang natin kasi
Sir, ulit, sir, ulit, sir.
Ulit yun, ilan?
98 over 56.
96 over 50. Ano
Sige lang, basta
96
natin.
over
Tapos balikan
50.
natin mamaya.
Ay, answer ako, 96.
Try another.
96.58.
Ayan ba? Ayan, sir. Contest na. Ilan lang? 152 over 142. No. 112? Hindi, hindi.
126.
112, 114.
Ulit, sir.
152, 11. Ano si Stolly? 152, 152 over 100. So,
12, 112.
Ano sa inyo? 114.
Pwede ulitin din makapag-budget din sa amin.
122 sa taas.
Forward.
Di ba ba yun yan?
Kanina yan. Yung kanina yan.
Yung first.
152 over
50.
Yan.
150.
Pangalawa.
Try another.
Try another. Yan. Yan ang yan. 152 over 122. 122, 126.
Ayan,
140.
over 160.
140.
140. Tama.
14?
14. Ito.
Kasi ba naman? 124.
Over
126 over 90. 124 over 90.
90.
No, 98? Over 98?
124
124 over 98? Sumobra ako.
So, did you answer all of them correctly? Great job.
Problema yan sa
Give yourself a huge pat on the back for a job well done.
Actually, it's